What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya and welcome back again to my trading channel. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use the 99.99% boom and crash strategy effectively. We're going to be looking at different scenarios, especially the one that I'm currently in. We managed to catch this beautiful buy trade right here, but I'm going to show you guys how you can use your strategy in reverse for you to be able to know that this reversal is about to come, and also show you that there are important price action principles that will always be respected despite you having this strategy and despite you using this strategy. So I'm going to show you guys one of the do's and don'ts of the 1450 strategy, and throughout the entire video I'll also be teaching you guys how to spot better trades while it's using this strategy. I'll also be sharing with you guys how to avoid some selling trades using the 1450 strategy, and during the video I'll also be doing a giveaway of our VIP signals group, and I'm going to give out a free spot in our VIP signals group as usual. So stay up until the end so that you see the winner. Okay, so I want to quickly share with you guys the settings, and then we get to look into the charts, how exactly we can work. We managed to catch some beautiful spikes on boom 500. Actually, let me remove all these indicators that I have. Let me remove all the lines on my screen so that you guys can clearly see where we are coming from and where we are going. Okay, so let me remove this as well. We'll add it up later. So this is how it looks like. We managed to get this beautiful move, but we didn't close, and the market reversed all the way down, as you can see. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can avoid this reversal after you've managed to get all these profits. Okay, I want to show you guys where also you should put your stop loss if you are working and dealing with this strategy. I want to emphasize on the psychology of the market. You should also be able to read the market psychology, as it is very important when you are trading. Okay, so for those of you that don't know this strategy, please make sure you check out my previous videos. I've been explaining in a series of videos how this strategy works, where it's coming from and where it's going. And in this video, I'm just going to show how you can actually catch some spikes. If I go to my 1 minute time frame right here, I hope I'll be able to find it quickly. If I go to my 1 minute time frame right here, you can see that we managed to catch all those spikes multiple times. But this trade was not based on spike catching. As you can see, our entry was from our 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we wanted to actually hold this trade for more and not just on a 1 minute time frame and just catch a few spikes. So this will allow you to catch multiple spikes if you do it from a very high time frame. Okay, so on my indicators, on my May window, as you can see, we have got the moving average with period 14. The shift is 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and there are no levels on this one. And on visualization, it's on all time frames, so that even if I change my time frames, I will still be able to see my indicators. Okay, and I've got that green color as my style, which means that if I click done, I'll have this green moving average on my charts, which is my EMA 14, which is also going to help me with my entries. And then right next to it, we have got this moving average with the following properties. We have got a period of 50, we've got a shift of 0, the method is exponential, apply to close, and there are no levels on this one. And visualization, it's on all time frames as usual. And my style for this one, I chose that red color. So if I click done, you see that we have that red moving average on our charts, which is perfect. Now also have an indicator window 1 down there. Let me just edit. It is made up of the stochastic oscillator first. So right here for the stochastic oscillator, and it has got the following properties. We've got a percentage K period of 1, a percentage D period of 1 as well, a slowing of 1, a price field of low over high, a method of simple, and we've got some levels. We've got level 20, which will be our buy zone, and we'll also have level 80, which is going to be our sell zone. And my style for my levels is that black color right there. So if I click done, And going down to my visualization, again, it's on all time frames, and my main and my signal have got the white color or the same color as my background, which is exactly what you should do, so that if you click done, you will have nothing else inside here except your levels, your level 20 going down, which is our buy zone, and your level 80 going up, which is will be our sell zone. Okay, and then finally we just need a confirmation indicator that is going to help us confirm all the entries we are about to enter. So going back to my indicator section, we're going to add one under our indicator window one, and it's going to be a moving average, and this moving average will have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 10 this time, so I'm going to remove everything and put 10. The shift and the method and apply to all remain as they are, as you see. And again, on the styling, we're going to choose this black color for that indicator. And if I click done, you'll see now we have a fully installed strategy, 1450 strategy, and you'll be ready to make some trades when it's like this. I'll also be posting these settings in our Telegram channel. It's completely free to join. Just click the link in the description box below and you'll be able to join right away for free. And in that channel, it's basically a trading community with over 7,000 traders, and I post analysis, signals, trading materials, anything that is going to help you with trading, including my personal trading results. So if you want to see the results that we are getting, make sure you go check it out. It's completely free to join. Just click the link and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel. Okay, the link is in the description box below, and you also be able to see results from our VIP signals group. Yes, we have a VIP signals group, and if you want to know more information about it, check out our Telegram channel. It's free and you'll be able to find out how we operate. But remember, on each and every video I give away a free spot in our VIP signals group from my subscribers as a way to say thank you. And in this video we're going to give it out to Fred, and basically they commented the 1450 strategy is the best. So Fred, please contact us. I'll put your comment right here so that people can see that you actually commented, and you were the first to comment and you got the most number of likes on your comment. So please contact us to get your VIP access for free. And if you want to be the next winner, all you have to do is to make sure that you are a subscriber, you like this video, and be the first to comment. Make sure that your comment has the most number of likes and you'll be picked on my next video. So let's put that aside. Let's talk about why we ended into this trade, and let's talk about when we were supposed to exit this trade. So we ended this trade right here where you see this blue line, this blue dotted line, as well as that blue arrow that's showing up there. And the reason why I ended that trade, there are a couple of reasons. Actually, I was operating from my 1 hour time frame because I was looking for some swing and big movements. And here is how I came up with that conclusion. The first thing that I looked at on my charts was I noticed that my black line right here is right in my buy zone, which is exactly where I want it to be if I'm looking for a buy trade. And remember, this time we're going in line with spikes, so we're kind of catching spikes on this one. And the second thing was to look for the break of market structure where my candlestick crossed to be above my green line, of which they did right on this candlestick, right? And that was my second confirmation. My third confirmation came from a lower time frame, right? So for my 1 hour time frame, this is the only thing I managed to pick up. I went then down to my 30-minute time frame to look for more confirmations. Remember, for this strategy to be complete, you have to see a crossover. Your red line and the green line have to cross over even after all the other conditions have been met. Okay, so I was still looking for my crossover. Went down, doing my top-down analysis, and when I got to my 15-minute time frame, I realized that we have a crossover right here. So we already experienced it. So basically my trade had been confirmed and I immediately ended a buy trade. All right, ended a buy trade, and the market did go up a little but started to retrace, but I was still trusting my strategy because remember, I was looking at this trade from a 1 hour time frame. So I knew that from the 1 hour time frame, usually the drawdowns are actually big, and we experienced this, but eventually the market then realized, no, we are going up. So as you can see, even if you want to see that the risk and the reward was slightly more than the risk on this one. Although my entry was a little bit late, I was supposed to enter way lower. I was supposed to enter when this crossover happened, but it had already happened by the time I entered. So if I had entered at this spot, can you see that my risk would have been so low? If I ended exactly at the crossover, my risk would have been so low, but I ended a little bit late right here. So already I think you guys can see the do's and don'ts with this strategy. If the crossover had already gone, it means that you have missed the entry, and I was just supposed to accept that I've missed that entry and move on, but I insisted on entering and experienced massive drawdown, which was still okay. The drawdown came right back to our crossover level. Just to show you, it came back to retest our crossover level and went back up. So those that have wrong entries will really suffer on that one, okay? And it went all the way up. Now I want to show you why or when I was supposed to exit, and it's very clear in our 15-minute time frame that you can see that this black line had reached this sell zone, which corresponds to this level on the market. That is exactly where we are supposed to end up, because we ended from a buy zone and our market pushed all the way up to our sell zone, which then means that that entry is expired. And as you can see, it went back to eat all the profits that we had made just because that trade had expired. So you guys can see, you always ask me, then when do we exit? How do you know when to exit? It's clear. The strategy will actually tell you when to exit. If your black line then gets to that sell zone, chances are it is going to retrace or it is going to reverse. Okay, so you have to take either all profit or partial profits depending on how you are handling your trade. But you have to know that price is going to react once this black line has reached your sell zone. Price is going to react. So always be on the on guard on the position of your black line right here, right? The position of your black line really matters because it's going to show you the momentum of the market. If I had known, I would have exited that trade long back from just seeing the black line reaching my sell zone, showing me that my buying power has expired. Okay, so nonetheless, it was actually a good trade for those that enjoy taking spikes, as well as I managed to learn on the importance of an entry. You have to get those nice sniper entries so that retracement does not destroy you before going into the actual direction that you have correctly predicted using this 1450 strategy. Okay, so I hope you guys learned something there. Please make sure you check out our second YouTube channel where I am explaining this strategy on volatility indices, your V75, your V10, your V100. If you want to learn more about that, I'll leave the link to our second channel in the description box below so that you can go and see how this strategy works on volatility indices. But on boom and crash, this is what we have, and I hope you guys can check out our previous videos if you want to learn more. If I get more information on this, I'm going to post it right here. So make sure that you are a subscriber and you have turned on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post an update. Okay, until next time.